How's it going? My name is Derryl Barnes. I am from the suburbs of Chicago, and I am a broadcast journalism major. By far, my favorite class was sports reporting, and it's really a testament just to how much the classes here emphasize on actually doing things and like hands-on experience rather than just learning from a textbook. My sports reporting class, we were sent out to all these major sporting events. For class, we went to an Inter-Miami game, a Miami Heat game, a Miami Marlins game, and so we were there in the media room with all the reporters that I had watched on TV or I had read their articles. It wasn't really homework. It wasn't really, class. It didn't feel like class. It didn't feel like work. It was just going and doing the thing that I had always wanted to do. My campus visit is actually one of the things that really made it go from, hey, this would be a cool place to go, to, no, this is the place I have to go. I mean, aside from just seeing the beautiful campus, I heard about all the different opportunities that you had here as a student, but not just an opportunity that you had to wait around till junior year for. You really got to get started and involved right away. Absolutely the biggest hands-on experience has been UMTV. I mean, right here in our studios, I've spent, probably plenty of 30, 40-hour weeks. The experience that you get through UMTV, which you don't even have to be a broadcast major to join, is second to none. Like I said, a lot of other schools you have to sit around and wait till that junior year in order to get that on-air experience. Here I came, I joined, I applied, and I was on our campus TV show my third week of school. But my campus involvement even goes beyond just UMTV and the classes I'm taking. I'm also a tour guide on campus. I'm a part of P100, which is our tour guide program on campus. And I got involved in that because I wanted to go and give back the same way that my tour guide gave to me. Honestly, my tour and my tour guide were two of the reasons why I actually came to UM. I'm also involved in our National Association of Black Journalists chapter on campus, our NABJ chapter, and so that's, kind of a career development organization. I got involved working with the creative video producers with our athletics programs simply by just sending an email. Because of that email, I became, the video producer for our women's tennis team. 1 year. And then after that, I went and got involved with our basketball team and now our football team, where I've been working for the past 2 years. And it all started just with a little email, just a faculty that worked here. And they were like, of course, we want our students to come and learn these things and have this opportunity. And so really just by being involved on campus, you start getting connected on campus and meeting a whole bunch of other people, and it makes your experience that much better. The experience that the school communication has provided for me was really the foundation of why I am so prepared, why I feel like I'm so prepared for the real world. Now, when I went to go and apply to internships, for scholarships, it was the thing that they noticed about my application that made it stand out. They said, wow, you have all this experience and you're just a sophomore, you're just a junior, even in your senior year, you have all this experience. I was actually the youngest intern ever at ESPN. I was basically a production assistant, so I was editing highlights for shows like SportsCenter, cutting VOs for shows that I grew up watching, like First Take, Get Up, NFL Live, This Just In. I was working in these content meetings, pitching stories and working alongside some of the top sports reporters in the industry, in the world, and working at the worldwide leader of sports. Now, during my senior year, I have another opportunity to go back and work for ESPN remotely now. So I'm working actually for their YouTube team. So a lot of the things I've been learning, I've been able to transfer over. And so now I'm kind of transferring those things that I've learned here at UMTV, the things that I've learned in my previous internships, and I'm able to take that to then work with ESPN's YouTube team. UM means so much more to me now, having spent these past 4 years, than I ever expected coming in. I kind of just thought it was going to be, okay, it's a pit stop for 4 years, but I don't know, maybe I'm a nostalgic person, but I think these have been the best 4 years of my life. These 4 years have definitely, really made me who I am today, prepared me for the career that I'm going to go into, more so than I ever thought I would be, gave me once in a lifetime opportunities that I never thought I'd be able to have. It's hard to just put in words and think about everything that it means to me. This is the place where I've met, my best friends. This is the place where I've made some of my favorite memories. And it's just a place that I think has forever changed the trajectory of my life.